Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today I'm letting the color picker choose my galaxy makeup look. And for the background, we're starting off with red. Next, for the contour shade, it picked orange. So I tried to put this along the contour areas, but it didn't show up very well. Next, for the first galaxy color, it picked yellow. For the second galaxy color, it picked pink. Next, for the sparkly highlight color, it picked a lime green, and the only one I had was from the Garden of Juvia's palette, and I'm putting this in the highlighted areas. Next, for the first eyeshadow shade, it picked purple. For the second color, it picked a peachy shade. So I went with a coral kind of peachy highlighted shade and put this on the middle of the eye. Then for the star splatter paint, it picked a gold color. So I took the liberty of making it this metallic gold and made the stars out of that. Dipping the toothbrush into the paint and then splattering it all over the face for a star-like look. Then for the eyebrows, it picked that lime green shade again. So I used that same shade over the top of the eyebrows. Then for the rhinestones, it again picked that lime green. So I used some lime green rhinestones as sort of like freckle stars. And then to bring the whole look together, I put a little bit of that same shade over top of the lips. And that completes this crazy, colorful galaxy makeup look picked by the color picker filter. It's kind of fun to not know what color it's going to pick next, but these are certainly not the colors I would have used for a galaxy look. Let me know what you guys think of this crazy look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.